Hello, today we're going to be showing you how you can fix your bras. Well, you lost some weight and now you stuck with a whole bunch of bras and panties that you're not using in your drawer, and you don't want to get rid of them because they were either too expensive or you like them and you want to keep them. So the best way, what you do, I'm going to show you in a minute. Let's go to the machine here. Well, all bras, they have these on the back, right? So it comes like from big to small. So if you try and take a seam, make a seam right here, it's going to be uneven. So your best bet would be right here at the end where the hook and eye is. So what you do, you put it like this, and what you are going to do is make a seam over the top. Let's try that. It's gonna reduce about one size of that strap, which is about what you need, and it is what you lost. So once you do this seam like that, you cut that extra material, and then you do a top stitch so that stays in place. And I think I ran out of thread on the bottom here. Oh no, I do have. So let's try that one more time. This is live, so that you know. So you go over the top, and then you go to the other side. Same thing you do to the other side. This side there is this tag. You can remove that. If you want, you can put it back later. So what you do the same here. You start over here, and then something wrong with my machine today. It won't sew this material, I guess. Let's try one more time. Okay, it's sewn right there. So we cut that extra material again, and we do a top stitch. And as easy as that, you have your bra a lot smaller. Well, my friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll be seeing you every day. I'm gonna be uploading videos every day, so I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.